Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an email in Gmail step by step. Sending an email in Gmail is quick and easy, whether you're communicating with friends, family, coworkers, or clients. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once Gmail is open, look at the left side of the screen and click on the Compose button. A new message window will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the email to. You can also click the CC or BCC options if you want to add additional recipients. Next, click on the Subject field and enter a short title for your email. Then, click in the large message area and type your email. You can use the formatting options at the bottom of the message window to change the font, text size, alignment, or add bullet points. If you want to add a file, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the message window. Select the file from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. You can also add images, links, or emojis using the other icons at the bottom. Once your email is ready, review the recipient's email address, subject, and message. When everything looks correct, click the Send button. Gmail will send your message and you'll see a confirmation that the email has been sent. To check your sent email, click on Sent in the left side menu. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.